Hey loves, what is up and welcome back to my channel. If you are new and this is your first time watching, welcome, and if you are not new, welcome back. In today's video, I have a huge Walmart fashion haul and I'm so excited to show you guys the pieces that I picked up because they are super cute, warm, cozy, perfect for this cold weather. So if you are interested, definitely stick tuned. But before we get started, if you haven't already, please make sure to subscribe and hit the post notification bell so you're notified every time I post a new video, and let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so before I get started with the fashion haul, I do want to thank my friends from Conico for sponsoring this video. So I do want to quickly share with you guys an item that was sent to me by Conico. They do have so many security cameras for outdoor, indoors, and I was sent the Conico Smart Home Video Doorbell. And this is what it looks like.
So I wanted to show you guys what it looked like when you open up the package, and here's what it looks like. It comes with a doorbell. It also comes with a little chime so you can hear the doorbell when it rings from the inside of your home. And what I love about it is that they added the tools in here that you will need to install it. It is very easy and user friendly.
We have absolutely been loving it, you guys, especially for the holidays that are coming up. It's always nice to have that extra security because packages get stolen, unfortunately, all the time, or they don't get delivered and it just sucks. So I went ahead and, well, my husband installed this. I went ahead and set it up. The setup is really easy. You do have a scan code that you scan and you download an app. It is a two-way communicating, so the person who rings the doorbell can communicate with you through your phone. You do get the alert on your phone as a phone call. So if someone rings the doorbell and you are not available, you do get the call to your phone. You answer it and you can talk to them. So it is both ways. They can talk to you and you can talk to them through the little camera intercom, which I find really cool. So it does have night vision, so it does record during the night. It also records live and it also saves recordings of what happens during the day. I love the fact that I can feel safe with my security doorbell. In case anyone comes and tries to take a package, we do a lot of holiday shopping online. So we get packages left all the time and sometimes we are not home. Thankfully, we haven't had any of that happen in our community where we've had packages that were stolen. However, because it is a little tricky, sometimes I do get packages that are delivered to other doors and then they say that they were delivered to me. So just the fact that I have that security to kind of show and be like, you know, no, it wasn't delivered to me, that's really cool too. So I am going to go ahead and link their website in the description box down below.
So this is what it looks like. I did crop out some of the frame because I wanted to block the number from my neighbor's house number. So yeah, this is what it looks like. I also did want to mention that it has a motion detector, so every time it detects motion, it also alerts you.
Video doorbells are really trendy right now, and this is one I 100% recommend. So I did put it to the test already. We have been using it for a few weeks now, and I do have to say I absolutely love it. I love the features of it. Like I said, you do have to download an app and that's where you control all the settings. It is super user friendly. I'm sometimes not good with technology stuff and it was very easy to set up. All you have to do is pretty much connect it to your Wi-Fi, follow the instructions that they give you step by step, and you're pretty much good to go. I also want to mention that it's rechargeable. Once you do charge the battery for about 8 to 9 hours, and after that the battery does last you quite a long time. And regardless, charging it is not anything difficult. It's fairly easy. And yeah, guys, definitely check Conico out for any of your security needs. I'm actually going to go ahead and get some stuff in order for my mom's home because they've actually had a few break-ins in their neighborhood. It's a really nice neighborhood, but you know, there's always those type of people that they break into cars and they take stuff. So this came perfect, especially for the Christmas season, not only to keep your packages and your home safe, but also to gift it to your family members so they can have the same security as you do. But yeah, guys, that is pretty much what I wanted to share with you guys. So if you are interested, again, go ahead and click the link and their website is down below and you can look at all the security cameras that they have